Hello, my name is Ashley Hong. For my technology lesson demonstration, I will be doing Jeopardy as a review game. Referring to the SAMR model, I believe that my lesson falls under the modification level because the way that we used to do reviews before a test is with a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, and they would dictate each word that I say. And that wasn't a very fun activity, and the students don't really enjoy it as much as I do. And so I believe that this Jeopardy game will boost their motivation to do the review game and to dictate the words, and also hopefully to increase the collaboration and the friendly and the inclusive classroom environment that I try to maintain in my own classroom. And so I'm going to share my screen right now, and what you will see is the answer board. And so this is how the Jeopardy game will look like. Obviously, when I display it up on my whiteboard, this is not what the students will see. I will show you that, but I just wanted to show you my answer key. And this will be vital in the way that we carry out our Jeopardy game, and I'll explain as soon as I switch over my screen to the actual game board that the students will see. And so let me just switch over, and here we go. And so I'm using the platform Play Factile, and you can edit, as you can see, you can edit each category and put your money values and the questions. If you click on the 100 for sounds, they'll say, write this sound down. And this is where I will say the sound. This is why the answer key was very important, because if you look at 100 for sounds, it's the sound k. And so I will say k, and then the students will write which letter or letters make the k sound. And so you can do this for all of them. You can save it. And so you can see the board, as you can see. And it's worth mentioning that this review game is based off of the the phonic curriculum foundations. And so that is why we have sounds, trick words, review words, current words, and tap it out, because these are all elements of the foundations curriculum. And so with that, we'll try out a trial game of tap it out or tap out. And tap it out is a activity that students do in foundations. It's where they segment sounds in a word. And so when you see the tap it out column, it'll ask students, I will say a word, and students need to try to hear or tap out how many sounds that they hear in a word. And so with that, we will play. And the students will be put into two teams. And so that's why we're going to click 2. And I will not have a buzzer mode because I have the 20 seconds on my phone, and I don't want to put any added pressure on the students of whoever answers it right gets the answer. It's if both teams after 20 seconds get the right answer, then both of them will get the money that they earned for that question. And so I'm going to click no. And what I really appreciate about Play Factile is that you can choose your own emoticon or your own mascot. And so there's pineapple. So I'll choose for my two teams, pineapple and potato, and we'll start the game. And let's say a student chooses current words 100. And so I will say, write this word down, and I'll refer to my answer key, and I'll say the word bunches, bunches. And then students will write on their whiteboards, collaborate with their teammates, try to figure out, is this the right way to write bunches? And once after the 20 seconds, I'll say, this is how you spell it. Let me see your boards. Does it look like this? Okay, let's say both teams got the answer right, then we'll both give them $100. And this is how we keep track of the points that they earned. And so we'll keep doing this. Oh, I left it. But we'll keep doing this until we fill out all of the words, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm very excited to try this out in my own classroom. I'll let you know how it goes in my written response. Thank you.